my hands. Hi, I'm Janelle. I'm a food stylist at So Yummy, and I'm here to tell you that buttercream is super easy to make and versatile. To make a foolproof buttercream, use a 1-to-1 ratio. This means for every 1 stick of butter, you're adding 1 cup of powdered sugar. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your liquid of choice, and then you're solid. These liquids could be pickle juice, wine, maple syrup, coffee. Use this method and the possibilities are endless. When I made the maple bacon buttercream, I added cream cheese. This added thickness and it also helped the pre-made biscuit dough stay really moist. My personal favorite was the jalapeno cheddar buttercream. Not only because it was the perfect combination of sweet and spicy, but paired with that waffle cornbread, it was to die for.
Hi, I'm Michael. I'm the producer for this video and official taste tester. My favorite was the pickle-infused buttercream. We ran into an issue with the pickle juice though. The acid from the pickle juice would separate the butter in the buttercream. So Janelle came up with a genius idea to add a little bit of cornstarch to absorb some of that moisture. And from there, we were able to get a perfect texture and it turned out great. Pro tip for the coffee-infused buttercream. When you're holding the cup and blending the buttercream, be sure to hold onto the cup really tight because if your hands are a little bit greasy, you might lose grip and buttercream might fling 20 feet across the room. Don't ask me how I know that. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Michael.
I'm Janelle.
And this was So Yummy, Above the Hands.